The goal of this presentation is to demonstrate a direct and rapid hemoglobin assay of anemic blood samples using a photothermal angular light scattering sensor.
The PTAS sensor is a novel all-optical sensor capable of measuring mass concentration of hemoglobin in unprocessed nanoliter volume blood samples without any chemicals. The sensor can be readily implemented with low-cost consumer electronic devices such as a laser pointer and webcam, and so provides ideal platform for point-of-care testing devices.
The sensor could also be utilized to measure various kinds of biological and chemical species that exhibit strong photothermal response, such as hemoglobin. The blood samples employed in this presentation are the residual blood samples that had been acquired and processed in the clinical test at the institution.
To begin setting up the photothermal angular light scattering sensor, first mount a clean capillary tube upright on a capillary tube fixture. Then, mount a 650 nanometer probe laser directed at the tube. Turn on the laser and check the scattering pattern with a sheet of paper. Next, place a camera without a lens on the other side of the capillary tube at an angle of about 25 to 35 degrees relative to the laser beam. Connect the camera to a computer and open the custom camera recording software. Check that the scattering pattern is in the center of the camera feed. Then, mount a 532 nanometer photothermal excitation laser directed towards the capillary tube. Ensure that the